Felix Kwakye Ofosu MP honorable Martin
yeah
ohuye
nyame adom ho ye pa
ede nyame ase the tennis say me hu say masiase president accounting to the people ebiesi penye hu bi previous government omu ye bi ena mo nso mo to aso mo de any difference be ni wo
me say dear friend no meet the press say brand no ministers and our bank penny for an central for bishop mo de e after 1997 abrana ora across to Gabra communications and also share information dissemination so my bank in the enye bi fofo but aban bi aba or the sakremu kakraba sene be ya so say no be boa ama eye na dwuma oye no nipa etumi ate e ho nsam na de gubo no ewie pe ya etumi aba de sa na ya ba aban mu no nfie sorry bosomi nsia ni enche bibiri but bosomi nsia no obetumi ehu anamontu aban ne pese otu tempo no anamontu no enwi peye anase bibia entuto yie kra you see the ebonifre no tentative outcomes and tentative steps nti efi ebra aban be konya so ene sa abri abusumi nsia betwa mu die na enwu hia se ye boga na fo amane na omoti dwumedie potia ye di a ye gina tumi ene oman no akade ombe hyensa no e de aye tanunti ena yesi san konya yi a ya to din se government accountability series te oswafo biara o wa ban mu no mra na dwumedi a wodi no boso mensiam no onfa matu dwama Ghana fo ntibi o de tudwas wi a na nsentwefo ejina Ghana fo anemu apensen nsem no mu ebisa ne nsem a omuzo se wuhia so mu bisa fa de odi asodwa no anase nsem bia efa oswafo le dwuma a oye e wo sa aban kwa bata no enu ntina ye di sa dwuma.
I asked Unia Owosu, Honorable Imano Kokubuam, NDC MP for Pro East. And based on my experience, Aban Bia Ba, the first second year, or ya dear pa, indicators ne ye pa, and we yen any problem. No. And so, me pese me busa, we na muyi, any accountable, name ko for Casamo ya di, a ye dear bekaho. Anansi bedru baby no na afie frɛ okra na na onamba na e busy
enia eyade a ye na afebo so we say nyɛ de kani amaba ba between 2013 to 2017 na me deputy minister for first information and communication me and na me di saa hyehyɛ no ho chairman or minister of information into me personally he did chairman will meet the press and level of 45 during the entire duration of the Rama Bible. In the idea, a routine, a brand ministers, Beba. Now, Omaba ye, sir, in Quintago. In fact, yeah, budget no crack. Wash your eyes before budget. Omoye allocation for 50 meet the press series. In the Yaya wants to say that. The idea aban ebeye ntenye the ebonifa 9 day wonder yenye no na ba ku mienu ne ntwa so there be a constant engagement with the people of Ghana.
Bosha Yura Jomahama sa sie me ba meye sisi meye mate oba kumasi we ye ya mamo enche aban ebi push sika wo ho
o big push budget no me yesa wudi akire sika 13.9 billion Ghana cedis, almost 14 billion. Then you try to offer the big push. Make us say, first, the kind of finance minister, why I want to share a move at least for the first half of the year. No, the contract had been certificated back after 2 weeks in the Sabbath Sika. Because the money has been ring-fed. In fact, the local parliament at the mid-year budget, now, that's why it didn't come. In fact, see, I put there was selected specific major roads. Big push canon. Ya de project go why Ukumasia. I come. Obeka ya main budget no no one listed projects no or can say we just got to say the but this media budget no well listed projects supporting ya the big push no e ba ba ye
big push mo ka $10 billion into some of the 14 billion Ghana cedis pe bi na to ho a say near o extrapolate a che by mo 4 years no na say anhwe ya 1 billion kra ni na se fo kra indru ana
oh there be say yanka say first year the $10 billion in abeba ana ye kasa
some you share 4 years he say 1 year mo dey 14
yanka say every year be the $14 billion abeba yanka sa ana yakasa
mon ka sentim be say me hu so
to weigh your first step
the first step
the minister first phase no 14 billion the na fee no obedi atu no say afei ni aba ba mu enye den a o se yehwehwe enkrat ni de na mu sisi yi ansan ni tumi etu anomon kese e ka ho we ni first year so how many of the other allocations are and this are the fencing sika e twato wo no ebe ko benkrom ma me san so nka say there's also room for PPP arrangements
okay
$10 billion enya aban pesika nti wa me no ka so ti aka say ochina bi nyame ya wado mu enya $2 billion bi betumi dia ye the fencing train from Accra besin Kumasi Ekwapaga na mo person ni aban edi nsa wo so na ye di tuma wo de ye na ya pekwemi so e de chia wo ka eno so wo ho na Ghana ye one there is history of PPP arrangement in fact terminal 3 port new terminal MPS wo isi ye no PPP arrangement but put na BOT yes ya ye nyam mfa so in fact as of the March this year na infaso a abem no ekeka ko be $300 million since 2019 almost as ye de support ni ye adwuma infaso eno kra ye just ye 30% of mu no so you can imagine what the overall project is getting it is a contractor no na say concessionaire no tenebre so na okwa na bedi ye kwa sika bebe mu bia na be ye dia nto keneka no okwa abe ye dia it is agreement no so eno no omni sika $1 billion ena chemu
right
na ban ka prekra nim but your manager party into there's also room for that BOT PPP and government of Ghana kasa so fika the beshim
all right enti yanhwe way meaning say mwasha se ne nkrofo bi kasa na say mo bie kwan say so bi pese oye sa de na because say government budget the honest truth say you cannot achieve 10 billion with government budget only enti dodo no so a mo kra wo mo say be a contractor be so be obi wo 2 billion obi wo 1 billion obi wo 500 million a so dey big push na akwanya bi wo ho on sha say wo he
me no ka say efisa me minister o say obi wo ho a onim be be so kopotin ko di fa nkomo no ntimi na be ba me ho na ya banka smart nti ye investors a ye need ho say e bia ye di sika be share between ayo transport mu he fa ne yenko ni pa dodo na aba me wa ma kire on be bia so omoko nti da ne da na mafo ba na eba ka ma ye krado so on be ba na emom no e se ye hwehwemu ye hu se ni pa wo ba ne se be trader so you serious person and you say be be say ya da keke
right
and I say give me for any kata se bia nim wo hu and I say you obi a wo begu etin wa top rek wa beji to me craft ade akopi sika ma no ho nti we go through proper processes to vet any proposals na ya open transparent tendering process obi abehu se mu da ofan na etimi edi diduma nti indeed no kra nipa bebe ba ya na so say o my class on the say adwuma
right mami mbusa we na minja because of umreninti cathedral de no muhwehwe na nkofo bia sika edi sika na say we ye fanfare one of the usual like baby yanchi obi antum
nya the akotoja in the report me say sika bebe wo ho a yentumi mu hu nkonta o say sa report e cathedral secretary nankasa na commission enya aban into mo mandate no so yeketuwa bi into they have found say sika be bi wo kwa wo kan bo mu ansie ni for instance wo hwe contract of the ma David Ajayi as architect say on design cathedral na aban say ana cathedral ne say omutua David Ajayi $130 million Ghana cedis David Ajayi so abra Audit ne kasa ya ode nkrat abaye no ono so kire say sika $170 million eni etua no if there's a difference of about 4.9 million now
honorable Bacho Manti hono as o say
me say Cathedral say answer na the chance David Ajay or no or draw Cathedral no you design.
Okay.
Or architect.
Yeah.
Aban say and a Cathedral secretariat in 24 say Omutiano 113 million to news edgeman.
Okay.
Auditors no so any David Ajay din komo. And also said there be 117.9 million and Aban the man. And a Cathedral for the man.
Hey.
There's a difference of 4.9 million Ghana cedis. But once the audit we know, the scope is limited. Into auditors now, Omen will say as you can. Nhyira. No moment to me to say, wow, me no can say na ebedi one as ebedi me. The only way you can find out is a forensic audit. And on the back say okay, it is 4 million if I into account when I'm with TI. Kwan be na mo fa suti ana say mo dey go bag mo come obi dey command na nipa no koda na ibi nkwanta na say that will emerge when there's a forensic audit. But you see, it has been established. Then Kuntabuni CNE. Even the cost of the project. Cathedral, they say, project, no, they boy $261 million.
Okay.
Contractor. How many contractor and signing, you know, and also says the project in $268 million.
Hey, 260 sign.
What are buying? A year or Mampany Akufo Addo yes wa almost so kyerɛ sɛ sika a wɔn nim sɛ ne boɔ no som no ɛyɛ $281 million.
Wow.
And afei contractor no ɔde deɛ ɛbɔ nifa no interim payment certificate ɛkɔɔ sɛ finance I mean no ka sɛ no yɛntumi hu which one is the actual contract sum.
Wow.
And also, Edan Chenya. I bet you just say, Reverend Gusi Watson say, Wabo Cathedral 2.6 million. Now, Omokwa Huchilibimu. And I mean, Cathedral say, Omechianica. No moment crack, same be any contract be any. And she said, be anyone, a dear dance SSR and Comodian and as a video no a course. It's the one Menoka say, we are Juma in Shire. Into Jacoban said, we will say, when you scar, into Nhyira FM. More call assignment, I'm only Petra, Wobabo, and Mekuna Bosia, no minimum diamo. Meanwhile, you may call 77 pages, as 77 and Yap and Promusto, Clatamasi. Into the other end, for there will be an agreement. That was me see an album, say, boy, a Bosia. On news who no, yes, as I never yet be a search, no, as he didn't come on. There's nothing like that that governs that arrangement.
Wow, that's interesting.
What's the report to the one? Omoka said there are 15 separate breaches of the Public Procurement Act. In Shema, Cathedral and Penny for the Bible, Attorney General and say, Omich Biana. Meanwhile, no, Ghana, a basic BI, a fadi, you may be an SFA procurement process. In some only the but tell me, you know, so we only pa why you're bonena. I was here yet forensic audit. The reason is say, Albeka say, what could talk car 10 cities that play in Nhyira. Who is the receipt? I say 10 cities. Now, auditors no a call. Baby, I could talk. I'm so Debbie. I'm on my receipt to be a tester. Now, I'm on the books, no. Visit on the man, no, 80 pesos. And yet 10 cities. Which means, a year 9 cities, 20 pesos, the Yalanan and Quanta. They will look for baby as 9 cities, 20 pesos. If I be a not, baby, I talk can only will be a can now, and one more receipt for floor. Wrong.
Right.
And I will watch 9 cities, 20 pesos on a check. But on paper, no, what they want to do receipt about a treasure and then they can't know. So that is the work of forensic auditors.
Interesting.
Anything about say, yeah, forensic. Now, Ghana, it is the Attorney General, Auditor General. And on one say, Sike be a buying the agreement, or you mushu or audit. The Auditor General can decide, say, they will appoint forensic auditors. They can even appoint Deloitte for your forensic audit, which would go deeper than the Deloitte for the Abbasi. And it's an Cathedral.
Maybe the person metia and say, based on the okekaki, yes, so mere forensic, but Kakreya working, say a kobase. That's conditional. Say ekobase. Ye be hwehwem na enkoya. mobechi will be agye sika ama no efisɛ mo se asɔfo na ewo mu ninti no asɛ musuro mo fɛre wo
for eka ho and you this adwuma me boa
yeah
mesre wo sɛ atwesie no yosɔfo ana
banani mu nye dusa mu nye dusa
program ba ku bi oyɛ kra de kyɛ sɛ ɔbɔ tongues papa program no so interview ɔbɔ mpa yɛ tongues pa make us so de fiase
yeah
sɛ asɛm no ba yanka so yosɔfo nti no wo nya ne fie ditim
ye wa asɔfo bi wɔ hɔ nso a mensa utabel mu pastor mu ana wo nso ɛho twitwiri asɛm na ɛbaayɛ no asɛ no no yɛ anhyɛ da hu so mu sɛ asɔfo akɛseɛ no
deɛ aban bi asɛm mo metumi ayi ano
okay
ɔmampɛni mama de wakasa sɛ wo yɛ ni nua koraa na wo fom Ghana mra ɛnya ade obi twitwa waka nti sɛbi yɛn mo ɔsɔfo bi antenene yɛn ka senti ɔsɔfo bia beebi a mra ne da no ɛne ɛde beto tapɛpɛ
nkɔyɛ sɛ yɛn ka no fie asɛm
da be fie asɛm die ni ho da be sɛ sika tam no Ghana sika na nye fie asɛm ana me boa me no sika yɛ de gu futu mu no sɛ yɛn ka ne fie
but I am wondering kakra sɛ yɛdi ka me ka sɛ yɛmfa aban sika bia nkohyem ne mum seed fund ɛna ne yɛde bɛhyɛ aseɛ so I am thinking why saa sika we nyinaa afiri yɛ coffers mu ɛno no ɛnyɛ problem
ɛno kora yɛ another issue see, there is another angle. It means that finance minister did not seek parliamentary approval. She can only see contingency vote. Contingency vote ne ye. Tekebia ye chat was say ye de no musu atwen ope. So that here. Ye budget ya. Esan say won to me hu da achi nti ye dika akra to. Say atoye nche to yen. Na yɛtwa yɛn ho ntwa yɛto yɛn ni a yɛn ho bia yɛtumi ayi de aso ano ɛhɔ ɛtakade ofiri atako yi saa sika ne fi saa sika na ansa na ɔdo nsa bɛka no ɛwɔ sɛ wɔgye tumi efi parliament wanyɛ saa nti ɛno koraa ne tia mmara
anyway I'm sure say forensic audit ne ba ibehu ni nyina na we no forensic audit ne yɛ
na I was saying say especially MPG for bia me nyi ni report you could have read a single page and so na mo kaka so na ye hu bɔ ne ye bia na is for me pass off for chow e bi mu kwase enkopa na akufo ado chow but they have not read the report so mu nim na number 2 e bi no mo de audited financial statements na nam te eno no asan obi ti mesre ye auditor was Nhyira FM Companies Act ne kire say afibia no somebody audited financial statement, register of companies, a routine regulatory procedure. Into auditors, no, we see say financial statements, no, maybe our expenditure to saying, revenue to saying, equity position to saying, profit and loss account. Why you into there are no misstatements. Say, profit here 20 cities. I won't share 10 cities. You cannot measure. No, behind the figures, they will go and see say expenditure now work no. If I'm not so. Lukredia bem obi eni sika bi nti ano no omu hu eno a they will write their friend management letter eno mu no metre sansam no dia bro se masa ye kwahwe our accounts mu no stinto ene o hawo e wo hu no ni ene ni nti hwe na 2-1 amon ya masa recommendations star management letter no before they write it no on beje emuaye fi wo because they will do what they call audit queries right wo yasoma sa kotoka 10 cities no wo say 10 cities receipt by your core company almost say 80 pesos on to ma wo into 9.2 na fine na what say so when say na say what then who answer they will analyze your answer and then in the management letter no, they will give recommendations by stating their position that emwaya wo de ama no eto asumu anase ento asumu ana nya no kre they will state it
yeah
ebinum si o Manchester National Cathedral penifo I think Saturday and for issue statement say me a press conference no I ignored their responses me ni abema me just a report no one second management letter no one second
yeah
nyabotre se won nyabotre kan yo de nyabotre na kan every single response on the buyer no the auditors also responded and showed say entasum in the report but their responses no na entasum for instance ye bi so mo David Ajayi 113 payments na chinya ba ho no response ne say David Ajayi has confirmed say yetua no 113 million Ghana cedis. Meanwhile, the auditors show with documents from David Ajayi, office of the president, to say David Ajayi say 117 million. Cathedral Fund did not present any document that should say 113 million, and I say any confirmation if it David Ajayi. So they state in the report say the Cathedral Secretary did not provide any evidence to back the claim say 113. Now, David Ajayi has brought evidence say 117 million. So the fact that you have responded does not mean say they are working okay. What must it will be say we ignored your responses. And your responses were not adequate. They didn't answer the questions. That is all.
Right.
For instance, last one. Project cost now. There were 4 different narrations. No. We shall report between page, I think the 61. They provide 4 different documents. The auditors provide 4 different documents showing the 4 different contract terms. Cathedral and Pennyfono, omen to me and any counter document and they say this is the definite contract sum. Yet almost they provided answers.
When you that's it, and him say Felix Kwakye Ofosu MP for Ebra Asebu Kwamenkese, a Minister for Government Communication. One can say what TBA analysis